modern inventions, and the fast-paced world of technological innovations. Sweden takes a step forward with the Mansinnen 120 dual power at the Orstrand pulp mill, the world's first dual power concept. Engbergs became the first customer to receive this innovative tracked unit. The mill's decision to double production required a serious logistics upgrade, and the results speak for itself. By the way, the Mansinnen 120 dual power combines two advantages: reduced emissions and lower costs, an ideal combination. In just 1 week, the company lifted 23,000 tons, mostly using an electric motor, achieving an average productivity of 435 tons per hour. If you thought you'd seen it all, look at the Grab Dredger Go Show with its gigantic 200 cubic bucket. This monster of dragline technology can absorb volumes that would make any other excavator faint. Want to dismantle entire beaches or lift large amounts of dirt? Go Show will handle it as if it has paddles instead of teeth. With the Hitachi Zaxis 130, any project on water or in swampy terrain gains new life. The amphibious excavator equipped with a floating installation is ready to take on the most demanding conditions. With a power of 95 horsepower and maximum digging depth of 19.7 feet, it is ideal for constructing water barriers, cleaning rivers, or laying communications in hard-to-reach places. Wherever you start work, the Hitachi Zaxis 130 guarantees flawless task execution, exceeding expectations. You're looking at high-tech hybrid drive underground loaders with reliable, independent electric motors in each wheel. The Komatsu 22H and Model 18H left-hand drive hybrid loaders claim the lowest total operating expenses in their class. According to the manufacturer, the two machines offer a 20% increase in hauled volume over conventionally powered loaders. They also provide up to 20% reduction in fuel costs according to performance tests. This hybrid is designed to help you reduce costs and achieve your underground hard rock mining goals of zero emissions and electrification. Hey fans of powerful machines, take a look at the Dresda TD25 Series 2, a true titan among bulldozers. With a 330 horsepower engine and a weight of almost 42 tons, it can handle any task, be it road construction or excavation. Yes, this bulldozer is not one to be afraid of hard work. Now, imagine sitting in the cab, surrounded by advanced controls, feeling like the king of the construction site. So, would you like to experience the power and strength of the Dresda TD25 Series 2? As a professional construction hoist manufacturer, SYM Hoist and Tower Crane Equipment Company, Limited, is committed to providing the most complete, reliable, and valuable lifting solutions for every customer. That's why they created the XCA 600 all-terrain crane, which has a main boom length of 344 feet, and its performance is several times higher than products of the same tonnage class. This all-terrain crane is highly adaptable and can be used even in major wind turbine maintenance projects. The whole machine can carry the main boom, superlift, and heavy load transition, and can also pass through lower culverts, which is more suitable for urban construction. The Weser-Made wind farm, located 130 kilometers north of Eemshaven in the German part of the North Sea, is one of the largest renewable energy projects. With a capacity of 400 milliwatts, the station includes 67 wind turbines installed on sturdy monopile foundations and transition elements. The design, procurement, manufacturing, transportation, and installation of these giant structures were carried out with erosion protection to ensure reliability and durability. The installation process in the open sea conditions was a real challenge, requiring high precision and teamwork. Imagine having the opportunity to transform your huge excavators into true giants of ground moving. Sutton makes this possible by offering special equipment that will give machines the power to dig deeper than ever before. We're talking about technology for excavators ranging from 30 to 200 tons that not only increases digging depth to a breathtaking 6.5 feet, but also provides power you could only dream of before. Together with Sutton, any such excavator can literally transform the surrounding landscape, getting the job done faster and more efficiently. Better equipment design also means less maintenance costs and less frequent breakdowns. The Senebogen 640E duty cycle crane has been specially designed for particularly demanding and dynamic work with a wide range of attachments. Thanks to its robust design, the strengths of the 40-ton machine really come into play when building special foundations. Whether it is used with a leader, rope grab, or hydraulic casing machine, the multi-circuit hydraulic system and powerful swing drive of the duty cycle crane mean that its capabilities are unlimited. This equipment can be used for logistical tasks and various construction jobs, all thanks to its mobile undercarriage with a 69-foot-long lattice boom. The Komatsu MC51 continuous hardwood miner has become a star on the job site. Watch as the machine used its robotic cutter to cut rock into small pieces, demonstrating the ability to dig a 16.4 by 16.4 foot tunnel. Not only does the MC51's electrical system ensure no emissions, but it also automates the crushing process with impressive accuracy thanks to Dynacut technology, which provides cutting accuracy within 2.16 inches. This technology allows operators to control the machine from a safe distance, minimizing risks and increasing safety on the job. Recently, a specialized vessel that regulates flows at the receiving end of oil and gas pipelines was successfully transported 50 miles inland from Ohio. A unique technology was used to transport this 450,000-pound behemoth, a 12-axle Goldhofer, 2-lane train from Buckingham Heavy Transport. This solution allowed the weight to be evenly distributed and ensured that all necessary permits were obtained, which was key to safe and efficient transportation. When Heron and BP Construction joined forces, they created something truly impressive, the Liber R 9250 Super Long Reach. This excavator is not just a machine, but a mechanized monster capable of working in the most extreme conditions. With a boom length that the largest machinery would envy, it can reach corners inaccessible to ordinary machines. Watch the load lifting reach new heights with the XCMG XGC 88000, one of the most powerful crawler cranes in the world. This colossus can lift loads up to 4,000 tons, providing incredible performance on the largest construction projects, including oil platform erection and bridge installation. With a maximum lifting height of up to 712 feet and a working radius of up to 331 feet, the XGC 88000 is the ideal choice for tasks requiring exceptional power and precision. The Husky eMotion electric snowmobile features a modern cabin design, an entirely new look, and zero emissions. It is now in series production. The electric motor develops 245 horsepower and 1,000 nanometers of torque right from the start. Only an electric rat trap can deliver such performance. The maximum operating time is 3 hours. The Classic V amphibious dredger offers an unprecedented combination of mobility and powerful dredging capability. Aquamex's innovation takes WaterMaster to a new level of performance in soft and hard substrates, as well as in urban dredging. The size of the machine is virtually unchanged from the first-generation Classic 1, but dredging performance has almost tripled. The difference compared to the Classic 4 is 50%, so the new model completes projects many times faster. Bucketmouth has been involved in land management, farmland preparation, and major landscaping operations around the world for over 10 years. Their TSG 1000 series mulcher actually adds to the profitability of companies that utilize such systems. As you have already realized, this tractor is used specifically for mulching. At the front of the cab is the roller, and it moves on a trackpad base. There are spiral-shaped spikes on the shaft. It works at high speed. From the surface, it can shred stumps up to 2 feet in diameter and up to 3.2 feet high. The shaft can also go into the ground up to a distance of 1 foot deep. Incidentally, the shaft is 8.2 feet wide. The unit runs on diesel fuel with a capacity of 270 liters. Also, the miller has been tested on 30,000 acres at a speed of 1.25 miles per hour. The De Bruin Chopper Roller is a simple, heavy-duty machine designed as a single roller or as a tandem with a width of 9.8 feet. In fact, this is the machine we are seeing on our screens right now. This machine has been involved in farmland preparation and land management for many years, as well as some of the largest landscaping jobs around the world. The mulcher actually adds to the profitability of companies that use such machines, and you can see for yourself how the De Bruin Chopper Roller works. Popular Sleipner offers a complete solution for mobilizing crawler equipment. The Sleipner E-Series is designed to move excavators, and the Sleipner DB Series is designed to move rigs, dozers, and other tracked equipment. You can see what they look and work like on your screens as the company's 2022 product line is presented. Big Float is an innovative and unique pontoon-tracked undercarriage that turns your excavator into an amphibious machine. Some call it a swamp walker or a floating excavator. It's all the same thing. Thanks to the Rimu Pontoon undercarriage, your excavator can work in the toughest conditions. In soft ground or shallow water, floating excavators on pontoon chassis are often the most efficient machines. Large floats can also be driven on hard ground, and with additional equipment, they can operate safely in open water. Watch the incredible time-lapse video of a crawler transporter that seems to embody all engineering fantasies. This grand apparatus, 131 feet long and 114 feet wide, is designed to move giant rockets and shuttles weighing up to 18 million pounds. In accelerated mode, you can see how this behemoth slowly and majestically makes its way, demonstrating incredible power and precision. Every movement is like a dance of titans, turning the most complex tasks into poetry and technology. The Lightwolf AgriPower Prinoth model is designed for work on steep slopes. Thanks to their climbing ability and large track contact area, they can perform heavy lifting work on difficult terrain, and thanks to their optimal weight distribution, they can climb even high and steep slopes much more easily and with greater stability than wheeled machines. In this video, the machine is shown in close contact with the M450 mulcher, and you can see the result of their fruitful cooperation. The tremendous traction and the ability to steeply turn vehicles on trails make spreading large volumes effortless. In the world of submarines, the Typhoon-class Akula Shark SSBNs hold a special place. These Soviet-Russian nuclear-powered ballistic missile submarines were developed as a response to the U.S. Navy's Ohio-class submarines. With a length of 574 feet and a width of 74 feet, Typhoons are the largest submarines in the world. They can dive to a depth of up to 1,300 feet and reach speeds of up to 27 knots underwater. The submarines are armed with 20 R-39 missiles, each carrying up to 10 nuclear warheads. There are also torpedo tubes and an air defense system on board. Meet the Bower Cutter from Bodum Bow. This is not just equipment, it is a revolutionary solution for any earthwork. Designed to overcome the toughest challenges, it can pass through the hardest rocks with surprising ease and precision. Its cutting system is configured to achieve maximum performance while minimizing wear. We can confidently say that the Bower Cutter is a masterpiece of engineering, offering not only high efficiency but also remarkable resource savings at every stage of work. The SMH-CSU bucket elevator is a revolution in material transportation. Capable of lifting up to 33,000 pounds to a height of up to 100 feet every hour, this elevator will become an indispensable assistant in your production. High-tech sensors and an automated control system ensure precision and reliability in operation. The sturdy steel construction withstands extreme conditions, and ease of maintenance reduces downtime. Just think about the way it can speed up your production process. From a drone's height, the magnificent view of the 2024 sugar beet harvest unfolds. As a specialized machine moves across the vast field, each of its movements is captured in high resolution, providing a unique spectacle of agricultural processes. The drone reveals the mosaic of land and crops, where the rhythm of the harvester's work creates an image of highly efficient modern farming. The vessel Bayan, which had an accident at the airport base, was successfully repaired and ready for new challenges. After temporary conservation and restoration, Bayan set off to the water area, where a tug was already waiting for it. This moment marked the beginning of a new chapter in the ship's life, proving its resilience and readiness to overcome difficulties. With the help of the tug, Bayan was delivered to the Nicey Oida base, where it was met with due honors and readiness for further tasks. The new line class ARF 8x8 is manufactured in high quality to meet the needs of the fire apparatus sector. Thanks to its lightweight and aerodynamic upper structure, composite alloy and twin-engine, 1,300 horsepower engine, the new line can reach the hearth of the fire in seconds, fearlessly tackling even the worst fires. All thanks to a fire pump that can easily pump 12,000 liters of water per minute. KGHM Zanum has completed another export delivery of a powerful loader, LKP 0703. The machine was ordered by a contractor from Germany and is designed to meet all its needs. Firstly, the loader is equipped with a remote control system, which allows performance tasks even in the most difficult conditions of modern mines. It is also the first remote-controlled machine delivered to a mine, and it's operating in the demanding and limited German market. The Gallotrax 800 is a titan among mulchers, powered by a 765 horsepower Caterpillar engine for efficient vegetation clearing and land reclamation. Designed to handle challenging conditions, this self-propelled crawler-mounted mulcher ensures minimal soil disturbance through optimal weight distribution, helping to preserve the natural characteristics of the soil. The performance of Gallotrax 800, combined with its ability to cut trees and dispose of logging residues, make it an indispensable assistant in the construction of roads, linear objects, and the creation of fire breaks. The compact dimensions and protective armor of the FOPS-ROPS cab provide high maneuverability and safety for the operator, even in the most extreme use scenarios.